Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To say after a hot minute would be like a gross understatement because it's been so long. Pardon the disturbance. I can't find my mic, I can't find my tripod, but I do have like that little suction thing at the back of my phone cover and I think it'll work just fine. What's happened in the past year or so will be a whole 20-minute video, which do you really give a shit? I don't know if I do enough to speak about it, but it's definitely not this video because this video is a vloggy. It is a Monday. The morning has been wild and chaotic to say the least, but I'm wasting time when I should 100% just like get up and get to work. It's gonna be an exciting week, so come along with me. Fully got drenched while getting into the car right now because my smart brain decides to keep the umbrella in the car so that I don't have to walk into meetings getting drenched if it rains like this, just in case. But my brain has gone against me. Not 100%, if I'm being honest with you, vibing with the city today. But anyway, no time to complain. Let's go. The lighting is quite trash, huh? But it is a while later. I couldn't record at the office because we were having meetings back to back and some product trials, so secret stuff. But I have come back home and I've changed into this basic tee. Missing a nail, should probably get that repaired at some point. Also ignore the mess in my room because we're going in for a film. It's almost 6:30. It's a little bit of a drive, and I'm always late, so I should probably leave in the next 10 minutes or so. But yeah, we're going for a movie after quite a while. Look at me doing things that I haven't done in a while. Am I only doing this for the vlog? Maybe. That's Bella yawning now. Great. No, I actually want to go catch this film. So that's what we're doing now. Also, this happened. Say hello and be kind, okay? I feel like one of those ladies, shit, the mess. I feel like one of those ladies in those reels that say, hey, my so-and-so is showing you something. Better be encouraging and be kind. So be kind to my little boo-boo. Just walking in my own world, recording, and almost got hit by a bike. Everything's dangerous. It is a brand new day. We are here with clean hair and a migraine after almost a month. I don't know how, because I was under the impression that these had gone away. Are we vibing with the city? Still not 100%, but it's okay. Today we're not going into office. We're going to the Kin Hotel because we're helping a friend out with a shoot, and I've still not gotten my nail fixed, but it's right here. So I'm gonna try and figure that, but should be a fun day. Do I need to fill fuel in my car? Yes. Am I running a little late? Yes. Am I waiting here or just staring into like oblivion? Yes. Should I be doing this? No. Let's go. Everything about this room screams like Parisian honeymoon aesthetic, but it was quite nice. Then I decided to show you all the bathroom for some reason. Look at that tub. Fun only. You know what was the nicest thing though in this recording? Me.
Guys, this is my friend's Labubu.
I'm gonna name her at some point.
She's a nameless Labubu. She's a she.
She, her is where it's at.
Yeah. Do this. Okay. And let's keep the rest inside for mine is this.
So we're done with hair and makeup, and now I have a fit that I need to get into, so let's do that.
Let's aim for 15. We'll end up doing 10, 12, or maybe a little more. Let's just
It's hard at work. She's getting her shots taken. The makeup's being done. The discussions being done for the brand. And I'm over here trying not to get in the way with my iced Americano. I'm fully floating in this fit. And I don't know how I'm going to get shot in this without looking chonk. They're gonna have to like pin it up. I don't know. How close are you to falling asleep?
Low. Never. Sleep is for the dead.
No, but I think she's inside.
That's a good one. We'll put her in. I can't go inside the Like how? Like
No,
the
we'll
other
go
game.
straight. That's fine.
So the hot sheets shoot is done. I've gotten back into my top because that thing wasn't just no. They're doing a jewelry brand shoot with some like fancy stuff, and these guys are like doing some B-roll shots and otherwise. And again, I'm just chilling, I guess. I'm not complaining about how my hair looks. I'm gonna have to ask her to teach me how to do this on my own. I'm guessing this is the final fit. I am not 100% sure, but yeah, it's got some cute work on it. In my opinion, they should have let me take this piece home, honestly. Why are you so cute, huh? Why are you so cute, buddy? Who made your hair like that from front? What? Hello? It is 2 days post the shoot. Yesterday I spent pretty much working, and yeah, that was about it. Nothing exciting to show y'all. My curls have come off, but that is that. Also, I look like I've cried. I haven't. I am experiencing a nasty headache. Yet again, I don't know what's up. I don't know what's up. So I put some balm and it went into my eyes. So hence the swollen eyes. But anyway, today, I don't know what's in store for me. I should get up and get ready. I do have a recording in the latter half of the day. A recording and writing session with a couple of friends, so that should be fun. Music's always fun. Yeah, and that is pretty much it. Let's go get ready. Take a shot for the amount of times I said fun in the last minute. Can you tell I'm gaslighting myself into being a little optimistic? Not been feeling 100%. If you couldn't make out already, but we move. I need to take my own advice one day at a time. My vibing with the city less and less as every day passes, but it's okay. It's okay. We move. It is not the end of the world. Doing a little bit of a matcha in hopes to get rid of the headache. No, I didn't run out of the city, though I really wish I could have. Quick outfit change post office. We won't color, so we feel a little better. We're here at Ikea. My mum needs some stuff, so we're gonna do a quick visit. I'm gonna take you with me. In this place reminding me I need to actually be at work, also promising me a good night's sleep through a sale. Also, the brain rot had reached a point where I'd rather be one of those pandas, honestly. So we've got a cheese veg sandwich, we've got some cookies that Mum desperately wanted to try for some reason, a croissant, a raspberry sparkling soda, a cappuccino, and these sweet potato chips. And this is on today's episode of We're Pathetic Eaters. Here I am on the road again. day. I am in office. Look at me shooting in office because my father isn't here at the moment. Spent a relatively good amount of my day today at the blending unit, and now we're back on my desk having some different matcha that was gifted to me by my cousin all the way from Japan. I'm a lucky gal. The plan for the day is finish some work and then get some Ruda Sati work done in an hour or so, and then I'm meeting my friends for a splitty, which should be fun. Are we vibing with the city today? Everybody, including God, knows there's somewhere else I'd rather be than the city right now, but it's okay. We move. Fully ripped off all my nails and anxiety a couple of days ago. Yes, I do that. I still do that. So need to get my nails done at some point this weekend. What an ugly angle. I have gotten back home a bit ago. My coffee's lying there. My power bank, which is like, it takes 3 days to get charged, but then it works well. Don't ask me for a link. I'm not going to put it down because I swiggied it during the war. It works well. I guess just type like purple power bank on Swiggy if you want it. Anyway, I need to get ready and go. That's Bella barking. I have checked off everything on my list today, including traumatizing my mom. But is she complaining? No, because I'm the best daughter ever. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in a splitty. Take care.